Welcome to another edition of Python for You. This morning I wanted to take a brief look at some of the main library methods in the string module in Python, and we're just going to take a look at some of the basics. So I have a bunch of strings here. So this one has mixed case, this is all lowercase, some numbers, mixed numbers and letters, and then leading and trailing spaces. I just wanted to demonstrate some of the common functions, then refer you to the library documentation you can find online. So you can convert to lowercase, you can capitalize, and what capitalize does is it capitalizes the first letter. There's an upper and uppercase method. So like lower, there's an upper to turn everything into uppercase. There's find and find with some arguments. So you can find a given substring within a given string to see what the leading index of that substring is, and if it's not there, it'll return a -1. There's another built-in function you want to use just to test whether something's a part of a string at all, which I'll get to in another screencast. You can ask things like is digit, is alphanumeric, is alphabetic, so there are a whole bunch of these testing methods. And then if you want to strip off leading and trailing spaces, something that actually comes up quite a bit where I work in Smalltalk, but it's the equivalent Python methods here of trim blanks, if you're familiar with Smalltalk. So here you can trim the left side or the right side. Notice the way I can chain this. So I can call left strip and strip off the leading spaces at the front, and then on the result, the thing that comes back, I can call right strip. So let's just run these and see how that works. So we'll run the module. And you can see what happened here. I have the lowercase, I have the leading cap, I have down here find the substring all in that. It tells me index is 8. Likewise, when I try to find it between starting of 1 and 3, it says -1, I don't have it. String 3 is all digits, yes. String 4 is alphanumeric, yes. And then left strip, you can't really see what's going on in the second one, but the first one, notice all the leading spaces are gone, and then I trim off the leading and trailing. So over here, notice I have spaces. Over here, notice I don't. You can't really see where I'm clicking, but notice there is space there, and over here, I can't click right. I end up not going anywhere. So those are some of the common functions. Now, just to give you a notion, that's not all there is, obviously. I just wanted to lead into this. If you go to the library documentation, and again, you want to make sure you're in Python 3 or the appropriate Python you're using, find the string methods section, and then you can go down here and get the full documentation on all the methods that are in there for this module, so that you can find out, okay, for the string functionality that I need to implement for my application, is there a built-in piece of the library already, or do I need to extend things? So I'd suggest you start here, and that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Python.